Alright, here's my official unboxing video. I've heard weird stories of people saying that the tips were welded on upside down and all this stuff, so I'm hoping this is the easiest part, is everything showing up in the way that it should. So we've got a little installation guide with a little pamphlet here. Ooh, we've got a Borla hat. Alright. Just put this right on. Oh, fits perfect. Got a couple clamps here. We've got this here. We've got this. So far looks good. Got this one. It says left, and then that one says right. Condition seems decent. It's got some little marks on there. Looks pretty good. Since it's just the axle back, that is it. Should be the easiest install ever. It's fairly lightweight. Yeah. So it is officially unboxed, and I have it here in my living room, ready to go. And the tips, everything looks pretty good. That, like the Borla logo on there, seems like it almost melted into the metal a little bit, because this one's a little bit crisper looking. And then on the actual muffler portions here, if that's what you call these things, it seems upside down. In their little diagram here, it shows Borla facing the other way. Not a big deal if it doesn't affect performance, but you know, whatever. Quality control things. And the other thing is, I've decided I'm not going to paint it black. I just can't really 100% decide if that's the way that I want it. And I have a feeling that it would not turn out the way that I wanted it to by spraying it. So I'm just going to leave it go, leave it chrome like that. I think it'll look good. Let me know what you guys think. You have 24 hours to sway my decision. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for this on my car. Mikey, you ready for this exhaust? Oh yeah. Mikey, say that again for people watching. About subscribing? You just said it a minute ago. You want everyone to subscribe, right? Right?